we will carry on the chapter solid state. In solid state, crystal lattice or the space lattice can be defined as the 3D arrangement of atoms, molecules, particles in a space. To show the geometry is called crystal lattice, and the unit cell is the smallest repeating pattern of a crystal lattice which show all the properties and characteristics of crystal lattice. There are 7 type of unit cell which are given as. The type of unit cells can be represented on the basis of 6 parameters, and these parameters are edge length A, B, C, and the edge angle alpha, beta, and gamma. Edge length are A, B, and C, and the edge angles alpha, beta, gamma represented in following structure. X, Y, and Z, these are the axes. Now we will discuss the type of unit cell on the basis of 6 parameters. First of all, cube. When A equal to B, B equal to C, and alpha equal to beta, beta equal to gamma, and these are equal to 90 degree, the structure will be called cube. And the example is NaCl, KCl, and copper. Cube is simple cube, body centered, and face centered. Simple cubes in which particles are present at the corner known as simple cube. In body centered cube, particles are present at the corner as well as the center of the body known as body centered cube, and when the particles present at the corner as well as each face center known as face centered cube. Cube in simple, body centered, and face centered. Simple cube, the example is polonium. Body centered cube is iron, and face centered cube is copper. I want to say there is the simple way to learn 7 type of unit cells. We can take the first letter of each unit cell, C, T, O, M, H, R, T. C means cube, T means tetragonal, O means orthorhombic, M means monoclinic, H means hexagonal, R means rhombohedral, and T means triclinic. C, T, O, M, H, R, T. The next one, tetragonal unit cell, in which A equal to B and B not be equal to C, but alpha, beta, and gamma are equal to 90 degree. And the example is white tin and tin oxide. Tetragonal is simple tetragonal and body centered tetragonal. The simple tetragonal is tin oxide and body centered tetragonal is titanium dioxide. These are 2. We know that cube is 3 type: simple, body, and face centered. Tetragonal is simple and body centered. Another is orthorhombic. On the basis of 6 parameters, orthorhombic is when A not be equal to B, B not be equal to C, and alpha equal to beta, beta equal to gamma, and gamma equal to 90 degree. The example is sulfur and calcium carbonate. Orthorhombic is simple, body centered, face centered, and end centered. Simple, BC, FC, and end centered are we can explain as earlier. The simple orthorhombic is sulfur, body centered orthorhombic is potassium nitrate, face centered orthorhombic is barium sulfate, and end centered orthorhombic is magnesium sulfate. These are of four types. Next one is monoclinic. Monoclinic can also be defined or characterized by the 6 parameters when A not be equal to B and B not be equal to C. But alpha equal to gamma and these are equal to 90 degree, but beta not be equal to 90 degree. The example is sodium sulfate. Sulfur is also the example of monoclinic. Sulfur comes in also orthorhombic sulfur and monoclinic sulfur. Monoclinic also simple monoclinic and end centered monoclinic. We know that simple structure means when particles present only at the corner, and end centered the structure in which a unit cell in which particles present at the corner as well as the two opposite faces called end centered monoclinic. The example is sodium sulfate, also known as Glauber salt. These are also two types. Next one is hexagonal. Hexagonal characterized or identified when A not be equal to B and B equal to C. It means these are the as length. When A as length not be equal to B but B as length equal to C, and alpha equal to beta and these are equal to 90 degree but gamma equal to 120 degree. The example is graphite. Graphite present in hexagonal simple structure, and the zinc oxide the another example. This is only one type, it means only simple hexagonal. Next one is rhombohedral. Characterized or identify the parameters when A equal to B and B equal to C and alpha equal to beta, beta equal to gamma and gamma not be equal to 90 degree. The example is calcium carbonate. It is only the simple type rhombohedral structure, means the particles are present only at the corner. The as angles and as length are given in the structure of rhombohedral. The example is calcium carbonate and it is also one type. Next one is triclinic. On the basis of as length and the as angles, in triclinic A not be equal to B and B not be equal to C and alpha not be equal to beta, beta not be equal to gamma and gamma not be equal to 90 degree. The example is potassium dichromate and copper sulfate. This is also the one type, means simple triclinic. I want to say there is simple way to learn the 7 type of unit cells. We have to first take first alphabet of each unit cell. CTOMHRT. Then you can see in 3 first cube, tetragonal, orthorhombic, alpha equal to beta equal to gamma and equal to 90 degree. This can be best way to learn this. And in case of edge length, first is ABC equal, second one AB equal but not C equal, and third one A not be B equal and B not be equal to C. Means first equal, second not equal, and third three are not be equal. And there is best way to learn these type of unit cells. Cube is 3, tetragonal is 2 type, orthorhombic is 4 type, monoclinic 2 type, hexagonal 1, rhombohedral 1, and triclinic 1 type. Hence there are 14 type of crystal lattice, and these are also known as Bravais lattice. There is one way to represent the 7 type of unit cell. Next one we will discuss the another discussion point, contribution of atoms. When a point present only at the corner, when you see this, when only particles present only at the corners of the unit cell, then each point share to 8 other unit cell. The point present at the corner share with 8 other unit cell. Hence the contribution of each point to the unit cell will be 1 upon 8. Hence the number of atoms per simple cubic unit cell will be calculated as 1 upon 8 into 8, because each point shared with 8 another unit cell. Hence the number of atoms per simple cubic unit cell will be 1. In second case, when point present at face, it means when point present at the face and at the corner, then hence the contribution of each point will be 1 upon 2, because each point shared with the 2 other unit cell, 1 and 2, which is given or represented by the second structure. Hence the contribution of each point 1 upon 2. Another is number of atoms per unit cell in face centered cubic unit cell will be equal to 1 upon 8 into 8 plus 1 by 2 into 6, because there are 6 faces and each point shared with 2 another unit cell. Point also present at the corner, hence the total number of atoms will be 4. Next one, when point present at the center of the body, when point present at the center of the body, which is represented in third structure, the point will not share another unit cell. Hence its contribution will be 1, because it shared only its own unit cell. The number of atoms per body centered cubic unit cell will be 1 upon 8 into 8 plus 1. It means number of atoms per body centered cubic unit cell equal to 2. In another way, when point present at the edge center, which is given or represented in fourth structure, means when point present at the edge center, which is given as it share the four other unit cell, which is given 1, 2, 3, 4. It share to the four other unit cell. The contribution of each point will be 1 upon 4. These are the total number of atoms present in per cubic unit cell in different type of unit cells, means simple, face centered, body centered, and when point present at the face edge. There is total number of atoms in simple cubic unit cell is 1. Number of atoms per unit FCC is 4. Number of atoms per body centered cubic unit cell is 2. And when present at the face of edge. This is the way to represent the number of atoms present in different type of unit cell or cubic unit cells. We will discuss the structure of crystal system, 1 dimension, 2 dimension or 3 dimensional with another videos. If you want to discuss another things with related to the topics, you can contact with the mobile number 9690561760. Thanks.